welcome back for another must-have recipe in NATI'S vegan kitchen. I'm so glad you clicked on this video, which means you really like some chocolate truffles just as much as I do, and I'm really excited because this week I decided to focus on some sweet holiday treats. Today I'm including 3 different types of truffles in this video, but obviously if you want to make just one, I would recommend if you're hosting people, or if you have the time, then make an assortment. They don't really take that long. You just make the mix, you put some chocolate on some of them, and then you put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes and they're ready to go, and they're so tasty. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be making 3 different kinds of truffles. The first one is a vegan Ferrero Rocher truffle, so I'm sure everybody knows what that chocolate is, and so I basically took that idea and kind of made it taste similarly. And then we have what I like to call coconut bliss balls, and the third one is a orange zest truffle. If I had to pick one, I would probably say my favorite is the coconut bliss balls. No, I also kind of like the Ferrero Rocher. I don't know guys, I like them all. Obviously I made them all. What's your favorite? Alright friends, so who's ready to make some chocolate truffles? Let's go! Now, be sure that you leave some for your guests, guys. really love these truffles as much as I did. I really had fun making these and coming up with different kinds of truffle flavors, and I think I'll definitely make some more. And if there's one that maybe you'd like me to make, let me know in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notifications when I make more of these yummy videos. If you make these for the holiday season, please take pictures and please share them with me. My Instagram, I'll link it down below, and you guys feel free to tag me. I love sharing what people are making. I love seeing what you guys are making, and I know there's some of you out there, and some people are already sending me messages of things they've made, so keep at it. Alright, see you guys next time.